JoJo Gnome and the Commonwealth Games by Jo Hall. There was lots of banging coming from the field next to JoJo's house. All the helpers were putting up decorations for the Commonwealth Games the next day. Grandpa Gnome gave a big sigh. He was looking worried. "What's wrong, Grandpa?" asked JoJo. "Oh, the Commonwealth Games starts tomorrow," said Grandpa. "That's great," said JoJo Gnome. "Aren't you pleased? It will be great for everybody taking part in the games." "Well, sadly not everyone," said Grandpa. "We gnomes can't take part. Our best athlete slipped on a banana skin and fell. So we don't have anyone to take part now." JoJo Gnome had a great idea. "I'll do it," he offered, even though he felt a bit nervous. Grandpa Gnome clapped his hands together happily. "Wonderful! It's the taking part that counts, JoJo," he said. The next day, there was lots of cheering when the other competitors arrived. There was an elf, a fairy, and a hedgehog. The Scarecrow had a big trumpet to make the announcements. "Event 1, running backwards," announced the Scarecrow. JoJo Gnome frowned. He wasn't good at running forwards or backwards. 3, 2, 1. But JoJo had to stop and give the hedgehog a push to get him started. He stopped again to help the fairy, who got stuck in a big flowery bush. "Winner! Winner!" shouted the elf. Then he pushed the others out of the way and grabbed his shiny medal. "Next event, mud jumping," announced the Scarecrow. Who would jump furthest into the mud? JoJo wasn't good at jumping either, but he loved mud. The elf didn't love mud and burst into tears when he was splattered by it. The fairy won by flying over the mud. She just zipped above JoJo's head to collect her winner's medal. "Next event, berry throwing," said the Scarecrow. 3, 2, 1. JoJo was good at throwing, but not hitting the target. JoJo hit the wrong target 3 times. So many times that the hedgehog had actually won. Now JoJo was feeling very muddy, dirty and tired. "Last event, the paper challenge," announced the Scarecrow. "Get yourself through a sheet of paper to win this. 3, 2, 1. Everyone looked puzzled, but JoJo was already tearing at his paper. He ripped his paper into a large hoop and walked through. Hooray! JoJo Gnome won. Everyone had a medal now. "A final award," announced the Scarecrow. "The most sporting competitor, who is JoJo Gnome." JoJo was delighted and put his big paper hoop round everyone. "You are right, Grandpa," laughed JoJo Gnome. "It is taking part that counts." And everyone gave him a big round of applause.